Good morning, dear student. We are reading sentence reordering. Dear student, in this chapter, in your examination, one question will be asked on this pattern. Dear student, आपकी परीक्षा में एक प्रश्न इस प्रकार से इस पैटर्न के ऊपर आपसे पूछा जाएगा, जो आपको सही क्रम में जमाते हुए पुनः वाक्य लिखना है. डियर स्टूडेंट, रीअरेंज द फॉलोइंग जम्बल वर्ड टू मेक सेंटेंस. डियर स्टूडेंट, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे अव्यवस्थित डिसऑर्डर में, अव्यवस्थित क्रम में कुछ शब्दों को जमाया गया है. आपको क्या करना है, इनको सही क्रम में जमाते हुए वाक्य बनाना है. Dear student, rearrange the following jump word to make sentence. Dear student, when you read I oblique a oblique wrote oblique story. Dear student, identify. Dear student, आप पहचानिए ये किस टाइप का सेंटेंस है, और आप देख सकते हैं इसके आगे अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस लिखा हुआ है. Dear student, this is the example of affirmative sentence. And you know very well what is the pattern of affirmative sentence. आपको affirmative sentence का पैटर्न जो स्ट्रक्चर है आपको याद होना चाहिए. What is the structure of affirmative sentence? Dear student, when we read first rule of this chapter about affirmative sentence. Dear student, the structure of affirmative sentence is subject, verb and object and other words, and at end we put a full stop. Dear student, in this sentence I is subject, so we will write I at first I, and after doing this we write verb. Identify which word is verb. Wrote, action word. Which word is action word? Wrote, I wrote. What wrote? A story, which is object. Dear student, subject, verb, object. Dear student, the answer is I wrote a story. Affirmative sentence, subject, verb and object. Dear student, जब हम वर्ब के अंदर what और whom से प्रश्न करते हैं तो जवाब में जो आता है वो ऑब्जेक्ट कहलाता है. I wrote a story. What wrote? What wrote? A story, which is object. Dear student, I wrote a story. Next, she not rice cook the evening in did. Dear student, and Agnes did. In Kotak negative is written, so this sentence is an example of negative sentence. तो what is the structure of negative sentence? Dear student, ये negative sentence का उदाहरण है, और अब आपको पता है, आप अच्छी तरह जानते हो कि negative sentence का structure क्या होता है. subject, helping verb, not, main verb, object and other words. Dear student, on this pattern we will identify she is the subject, helping verb. Dear student, find out helping verb. What is helping verb? And at last did, which is helping verb. Not and cook is main verb, so we will write she did not cook rice in the evening. Next, you play do football daily intro sign, and in Kotak interrogative is written. So this is the example of interrogative sentence. And dear student, you can see in this sentence WH word is not given, and so interrogative sentence structure will be helping verb, subject, main verb, and at end question mark is put. Dear student, do is main helping verb, and do is written first. Do you play football daily? And at end question mark is put. Next, why he is laughing Sita? Sign at interrogative sentence. Dear student, in this sentence WH word is given. So we will write WH word before helping verb. Why is he laughing at Sita? Or at end enter sign is written. Dear student, this is the pattern on which questions will be asked in your examinations. Dear student, आपको इस प्रकार से दी गई सेंटेंस में पहचानना है कि अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में से कौन सा है। उसके अनुसार आपको पैटर्न फॉलो करना है, स्ट्रक्चर फॉलो करना है। अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस में किस क्रम में वाक्य होता है, सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब, ऑब्जेक्ट। नेगेटिव के अंदर सब्जेक्ट, हेल्पिंग वर्ब, नॉट, मैन वर्ब, सब्जेक्ट, अदर वर्ड्स, फुल स्टॉप। इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, हेल्पिंग वर्ब, सब्जेक्ट, मैन वर्ब और एट एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क। और इंट्रोगेटिव WH word is written before helping verb, subject, main verb and interrogation. Dear student, this is very simple topic and other rules we will be read tomorrow. Thank you.